This is the brief on how 3D printers create objects. 3D printing is absolutely revolutionizing how we make things, from fixing broken toys to literally building space stations. But how exactly does it turn a digital file into a real physical object? First, unlike traditional manufacturing that cuts material away, 3D printing is additive. It reads a digital CAD model and builds the object by stacking incredibly thin slices. Imagine building a solid cube out of paper. Stack enough flat sheets, and eventually you get a 3D block. And get this, those printed layers are typically 100 micrometers thick. That's roughly 1/10 the thickness of a human hair. Second, the most common process is FDM, or fused deposition modeling. It feeds a plastic thread into a heated nozzle, squeezing it out to cool and harden. They use cool materials like PLA, an eco-friendly cornstarch plastic, or ABS, the exact plastic used for Lego bricks. There's also SLA, which uses UV light to harden liquid resin for super detailed prints. So, if the FDM printer is basically a highly precise robotic hot glue gun, what else can we push through that nozzle? Finally, we're printing way more than plastic trinkets. Scientists print giant concrete houses, and NASA even prints pizza for astronauts. It's wild that we use the exact same layering concept to print chess pieces on Earth and human body parts in space. Incredibly, a human knee meniscus was actually bioprinted in zero gravity on the International Space Station. Ultimately, 3D printing brings digital designs into the real world by building them up one microscopic layer at a time. So the next time you need a spare part, a house, or even a pizza, you might just be able to hit print.